Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this interesting shape such that this side length is 12 units, this side length is 9, and this side length is 15 units. Now we are going to calculate the perimeter of this given shape. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Before we proceed, let me make it very clear that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. Now we are going to calculate the perimeter of this given shape. In other words, we are going to find the sum of all these individual boundary lengths, as you can see over here. And now we know that this side length is 15 units. And we can see that the sum of these three individual lengths is equal to 15 units as well. So therefore the perimeter P for these highlighted lengths is going to be 15 plus this one's 15 as well, plus now we know that this side length is 9 units. Let me go ahead and call this side length as x units. Then this length has got to be simply 9 minus x, and if this length is x unit, then this length is going to be x units as well, and this whole length has got to be simply sum of x and 12. So that means this is going to become x plus 12 units. So therefore these highlighted horizontal lengths are going to be 9, and this 9 minus x, and this 12, and this x plus 12. Therefore let's go ahead and write down 9 plus 9 minus x plus 12, and then x plus 12. And now we can see this negative x and positive x, they are gone. Let's go ahead and add these constant on the right hand side. So our perimeter P turns out to be, if we add all of these, it's going to be a 72 units. Thus the perimeter of this given shape turns out to be 72 units. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.